people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Rebs Okubo and you are so welcome. If this is your first time tuning in on this channel, thank you so very much for clicking on this video. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so very much for coming back again. So beautiful ladies, today we're going to be talking about the super Halfcast whitening oil. This particular recipe I'll be sharing with you guys is so amazing, guys. It is so packed full with a lot of things. It is packed full with antioxidants. It is packed full with healing properties. It is packed full with properties that softens the skin, it glows the skin, it brightens the skin, whitens the skin. So guys, this particular recipe is packed full. Okay, so this oil, yes, it can be used as a treatment oil as well as whitening oil. So guys, if you want to see how I make this particular oil, what are you waiting for? Kindly hit that subscribe button, like and share this video, turn on your notification bell so you will be notified whenever I post a new video. So without wasting much of your time, let's jump right into the topic for today. So guys, you know the way we do it on this channel, we usually make large batches of products, but there's been a lot of complaints that I need to make the uh, badges smaller so that people who are not actually using it for sale can be able to make the product and use it on their skin. So I have broken down the measurements. Okay, so today we are not going to be making a large batch, we're going to be making a smaller batch. Okay, so I have broken down the measurements so that you know it can be used by people who just want to use it on their skin. Okay, so that's that. So the second thing is, guys, every product or every ingredient I will be mentioning here, we have them for sale, wholesale prices, so you can get them from us. Just contact me with my WhatsApp number just on the screen, 08121577080, and place your orders and we'll get it delivered to you. Okay, so moving on now to the recipe. The first thing we have here is the Vids Gold Whitening Face and Body Oil. Guys, this oil is so good. It is very good. It contains a lot of antioxidants properties. Okay, it contains vitamin A, it contains vitamin B, it contains vitamin C and vitamin D. Okay, so this particular oil is so good, and as well it contains kojic acid. Okay, so take note of that, and we will be using 250 ml of that oil. Now moving on to the next base that we'll be using, we also have the half cast oil. Yeah, the half cast oil. If you go to all those organic sellers, or if you want to buy from us, we have this half cast oil available. Okay, so don't worry, it's the original one, so you won't have any issues. Okay, and they are very affordable. So we have the half cast oil as well, and we will be using 200 ml of that. Now moving on to the next thing, we also have neem oil. We'll be using neem oil in this recipe. As well, we'll be using carrot oil. Carrot oil, will be using 200 ml of that. Now for the neem oil, we'll be using 4 tablespoons of neem oil. Now moving on to the next thing, we also have the Nature Secret oil, guys. The Nature Secret oil is the carrot one. Okay, the orange like one, the one in the orange container, and we are going to be using 4 pieces of that. Sorry, we are going to be using 4 tablespoons of Nature Secret oil. Now moving on to the next thing, we also have magic white oil, and we are going to be using 4 tablespoons. Okay, now moving on to the next thing, we also have skin free milk, and we are going to be using 8 tablespoons. Now also we will be using beta clear Kenako, and we are going to be using 2 tablespoons of that. Moving on to the next thing, we also have vitamin E. Vitamin E is very good for glowy skin, for glowing the skin. It's a very good moisturizing oil that you can use, and we are going to be using 10 ml of vitamin E oil. Okay, so moving on to the next thing, we also have magic white glycerin. uh this is not the measured one. Magic white glycerin, it comes in a kind of 100 ml or 120 ml uh, container. I'll see if I can put the picture on the screen. A 120 ml container, and we are going to be using 2 tablespoons of that. Now moving on to the next thing, we also have rapid whitenizer. Now please, we are going to be using the pink one. Okay, rapid white whitenizer, and we are going to be using 4 tablespoons of that. Now moving on to the next thing, we also have frankincense oil. Remember, like I said, this is not just a whitening oil, it is also a treatment oil. And so we are going to be going in with this frankincense oil, and it is the essential oil, please. And we are going to be using 8 ml of that. Okay, now moving on to the next thing, we also have propylene glycol. Propylene glycol is very good for the skin. It helps your products penetrates very well into your skin. So this propylene glycol is very good, it's needed, and we are going to be using 2 tablespoons of this propylene glycol. Now moving on to the next thing, like I said before, we have carrot oil, and that carrot oil we're going to be using 200 ml. Now the next thing on the list is the Egyptian talking oil. Yes, Egyptian talking oil. I don't know if people know this, but this is the Egyptian talking oil is very, very good for when you are applying it on your face, when you're using it to make a face oil or something. It is very, very good. So this Egyptian talking oil, we're going to be using 2 pieces of that. Okay, now moving on to our properties, preventive properties that we will be using for this product. We have here crude canal coal and stretch mark ampoules. For the crude canal coal, we are going to be using 2 tablespoons of crude canal coal. And for the stretch mark ampoules, we're going to be using 2 pieces of that. Now guys, these are the ingredients that we are going to be using for this recipe. So when you have all this, you just turn everything into your sterilized container. Make sure you use your hand mixer and blend everything very well. Blend very well and package it. Okay, this is all that you need. And please, this is not a daytime oil. Kindly make sure you are not using it during the day. You use it during the night. Okay, use it during the night. It is very, 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 very good, guys. So, and if you want to sell this product, you can sell it as well. It's very sellable. Yes, it has been tested and trusted, so you can definitely sell this product if you want. So guys, this is all I have for you today. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, please hit that subscribe button just by your right. Like this video, share this video, turn on your notification bell so you will be notified whenever I post a new video, guys. So guys, I will see you in my next video. Thank you so very much for watching, and bye for now.